Welcome to Swagzone. On familiar roads, sometimes even a small decision can lead to unexpected situations. Today's video offers real-life perspectives that help us better understand the importance of safety behind the wheel. Watch calmly, take a moment to reflect, and learn from each experience. There's nothing ordinary when two large vehicles meet at speed. Sometimes, the road reminds us to slow down in a very serious way. A chain collision on the HCMC, Long Van Expressway unfolded early morning after a sudden lane change led to a rear-end crash, causing long delays. The tractor driver rolled onto the railway crossing despite the red light and met a train head-on. With heavy loads, entering a curve at the wrong speed can quickly upset balance. This situation highlights how crucial mountain road handling skills are. Fortunately, other drivers reacted in time to prevent things from escalating. Awareness can be the deciding factor. The woman reacted fast, jumping into the moving truck and stopping it just in time before things went out of control. What seemed like a routine drive took an unexpected turn. Sometimes, mechanical parts speak up in the most costly ways. The dashcam captures a heavy truck losing control and overturning on a busy route. In just a few seconds, a vehicle of massive weight caused serious disruption to surrounding traffic and infrastructure. What seemed like a routine transport turned into a major loss because of one underestimated bridge. After missing the exit, the truck driver chose to reverse on the motorway, a move that belongs anywhere except there. Noticing flames behind the rear tires, stopping to check seemed harmless, until things escalated quickly.
Se salieron, estamos de frente a la verga. ¡Ah!
That seemed like a good idea at the time, right up until reality showed up and changed the script. One quick decision, one long-lasting lesson. Three semi-trucks decided to meet in the middle on a highway in Paraná, forcing the road into an unexpected timeout.
Ya pierde.
A small lapse in attention was enough to change the whole trip. Sometimes, the road doesn't offer a second take.
блядь, красавец.
Brand new car, first time leaving the parking lot, and of course, the friend is there to film the big moment. The crane lost balance and suddenly went upright like it was striking a yoga pose. Scary at first, funny in hindsight. When trucks aren't properly covered, loose cargo can be blown or shaken out. That's why distance and quick reactions matter so much. Hard to believe. One bend and one sudden break were enough to push everything beyond control. A brief lapse in observation during a test drive turned tense when a large truck approached at the wrong moment. On the road, even a small oversight can change everything in an instant. At a tight bend with heavy traffic, the dump truck still pushed to overtake, turning seconds into a tense moment. Credit to the responders who arrived quickly to assist those involved. Timely coordination helped stabilize the situation after the collision. A concrete mixer suffered brake issues on a long downhill section, leading to a chain reaction across both lanes. Thankfully, calm responses afterward showed how awareness matters even in difficult moments. Hard to believe they were still sitting there afterward. It seems luck decided to stop by that spot today. Wow. Moments like this remind us that safety is the real treasure. What a tense moment. One technical issue on a mountain pass can turn a routine drive into a major challenge. It's a strong reminder of how vital vehicle checks are before the journey. A slippery road can turn simple moves unpredictable. Luckily, it's a gentle reminder to slow down when conditions change.
No hay nadie. No hubo nada que lamentar.
The intention was good, but the result turned a bit messy. At least it leaves a clear lesson about safe distance.
Giờ đó飛，呦我靠！哇，厲害！哇，霸道！可以。
The price of carelessness. Fortunately, things didn't go too far. Safety should always come first. The container truck suddenly lost balance and overturned, putting surrounding traffic under pressure. It looks intense, but thankfully, this is only a simulation reminding us that trains always have the right of way. One moment was enough to slow the entire highway, and enough to remind us that safety always comes before speed. That hill seemed rather demanding today. The truck had to turn back in a way no one planned. The worksite was calm until sudden chaos arrived. Timely moves kept trouble away. A dashcam from a car behind captured the moment an oversized cargo truck suddenly overturned on the highway while climbing a slope and taking a curve. Everything happened in seconds, leaving viewers startled. With heavy truck traffic, a single misjudgment can trigger a chain reaction. This highlights the importance of speed control and proper spacing. The video captures the moment a garbage truck overturned on Professor Sandoval Araxelas Avenue in Ponte Verde. The truck was simply too big for the tight space, making the collision hard to avoid. A quiet reminder to stay cautious on the road.
Мы ее высказали, говорят, что там такая точка зрения, вроде тех никто и не требует. Давайте, признавайте, Крым поддерживайте россиян, там и кто-то...
Why has the driver involved in this serious incident still not reported to authorities after more than 24 hours? Could this delay affect the process of clarifying responsibility?
Và em bảo bọn kia rồi thuê vào.
It seems the rider trusted the gap a little too much when crossing. Luckily, the car driver stayed alert and avoided a bad surprise.
Dale nomás. No, hijo de... Casi que se...
A slightly overconfident turn turned this corn-loaded truck's journey into an unexpected stop on the Macroenal Road. Thankfully, the driver was fine and the moment ended with relief rather than trouble. The moment a big rig flipped on I-95 was captured on dashcam, unfolding in just seconds. A reminder that highways leave no room for carelessness. In Novosibirsk, a Howo truck attempted to avoid a car stopping for a pedestrian, crossed into oncoming traffic, and became involved in a multi-vehicle collision. After hitting the guardrail, the truck suffered a serious incident and burst into flames. Luckily, the driver was safe. An overloaded dump truck struggled uphill, causing its front end to lift unexpectedly, a reminder of how excess weight can quickly get out of control. Thank you for staying with Swagzone until the very end. We update new situations every day, hoping to bring positive and meaningful perspectives to our viewers. Don't forget to support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing the video if you find it valuable. Goodbye, and see you again soon.